Hi, I'm Seth Fenby from Q Sales Inc., and this is a virtual inspection by video. What we have here is a Wright 61-inch ZK stander. We're going to run and operate this machine, and then we're going to inspect the major components. As you can tell, the machine starts right up and operates as it should perfectly. The engine is in very good condition. There are no issues with it. Now we'll walk around this machine. We have a Kawasaki FX850V 31 horsepower engine on this with the Fleet Guard air filtration system. Heavy duty canister for more life for the engine. This is a custom muffler made for this machine. The deck's in very good condition. There are no issues with it, no cracks or welds. As you can tell, blades are practically new. There's no battery cover, but the battery sits there just fine. You have dual fuel tanks, the switch to switch it back and forth, or it might be gravity fed, so both of them operate off at the same time. This is your control panel with your blade engagement, throttle, your choke, hour meter, which is reading 68 hours, and your key switch. Parking brake, and a cup holder. You have the 24x12 tires on this machine, and you have the larger hydraulic pumps. This machine is very fast, and it does have an adjustable deck. You can adjust the deck down to different increments. There are no labels on the deck adjustment. As you can tell, the frame is not like a factory machine would be. It's modified a little bit, but it does run and operate fine. There are no issues with it, and the components have the 68 hours on it. So if you have any questions, feel free to call. Thank you.